when a water heater sits for too long, it actually starts to build sediment up, and that sediment starts to build up at the bottom of the tank. When water comes into your home and fills that water heater, it actually has a lot of sediments in there. There's minerals, calcium, all sorts of stuff that's in our water from the city water. Even though it's healthy to drink, it has these things in there. So as it sits in a tank, just like if you took a jug of water, filled it up, and let it sit for a long period of time, at the bottom, you're actually going to get some settlement to settle out of that. And that's what happens in your water tank. So over the course of the year, that water sits there, and even though you're using some, you're pulling it off the top. The water actually, the sediments out of that water settle down and start to fill up the bottom of that tank.